Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to edit the famous TikTok video quality in CapCut. So first you need to add a video, and then after that go to adjust and then find the grabs. This one's right here, and set the whole grabs like this, the right to the bottom, and then set the left to the top like this. Set it for the whole color. Oops. Like this, and the last one. Okay, go back, click on a check icon, go to effects, video effects, and basic, and then find the blur effect. This one's right here, and then click on a check icon, and then after that you need to export the video, but before exporting, change the resolutions here into the highest, and also the frame rate into 60, and then click on export. And then you can just go back and delete the effects and also the adjustment here. Okay, just delete. Like this, and then after that add the previous video that you've exported as an overlay. This one's right here, click on add and adjust it until it fits to the whole video like this, and then go to splice and choose burn and set it to 55 like this. Click on a check icon, and then after that add a white overlay here. Add overlay. Oops, I'm going to just find a white overlay. Okay, so add the white overlay and then adjust it to the whole screen like this, and then go to splice again and choose overlay. This one's right here, click on a check icon, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. See you at the next videos. Bye.